Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. God. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Anifa and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about what your skin says about you. We're going to be talking about different type of skin acnes and what they say about you, honey. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post another video. Because why would you not want to be notified? My back hurt me. Let me just do that. My back just hurt me. Jeez, Lord. Ooh. No, my lower back is hurting me for real. Yeah, because why would you not want to be notified every time I post another video? Like, don't be a hater. Don't be a hater. Be a lover. Be a supporter. Hit the subscribe button. Be notified every time I post another video. Do it right now. Right now. The button right there, so. Right, yes, so. Click it. Come on. Click it right now. Yeah, we it. Alright, thank you. Let's just get into the video now. So first thing first, what is acne? What is that? I'm pretty sure you guys know, but the technical terminology, what is acne or what acne is. Oh, I thought my knuckles was ashy. Anywho, so acne is a common skin condition where the pores of your skin become blocked by hair, sebum, which is like an oily substance. You know, the white sitting what come out there face when you like do this or this. Yeah, that's what sebum is. Sometimes it's just oil and gunk, okay? It has bacteria and dead skin cells. Now, who does acne affect? Okay, I know. I'm just joking. So it usually affects teenagers and young adults going through puberty and hormonal changes, body changes. It can also affect women as well that are pregnant, also going through hormonal changes. Women, men that are going through, you know, basically hormonal changes. You can be pregnant, you can be a teenager, you can be a woman suffering from PCOS, unbalanced hormones. You're gonna be affected by acne. Teenagers, 20s, early 20s, mid 20s, late 30s, it can affect anybody. So where does acne most commonly occur? The most common spots that you might have acne or where acne might appear on your body is your face. So basically your face, forehead, cheek. Why is this cheek? Forehead, cheeks, chin, nose, like basically anywhere on your face. Then your chest, your back. So now let's talk about the different types of bumps and stuff. Acne, bump, acne. So the blackheads are usually dark in color when they are extracted from your face. They're usually dead skin cells. That's why they are darker, because they're buildup of dead skin cells and oils. Whiteheads are usually white. Those are usually the ones that are around your nose, right around your chin. Then there's like cystic acne, is like the ones that are red and inflamed throughout your skin, very painful to touch. That is usually hormonal acne that affects you internally. There's something internally going on in your body, and your skin on the outside is basically reacting to what's going on. So acne is like that. You need to go and talk to a doctor, a dermatologist, so they can prescribe you the best products to use, and a dietary person. What do you call a dietary person? A nutrition specialist, yeah, whatever. Go check someone that knows everything about diet and what can affect your skin. Like if you have hormonal issues going on and you eat certain things like dairy or whatever, it might affect you in a negative way, you know. Just go seek professional help. Another things that can affect or cause acne other than hormonal effects to your body is picking. Sores picking at the acne can make it worse. It can spread to other parts of your face. Even the products that you use on your skin like can affect your skin. Certain lotions, certain oils that you use on your skin can worsen, is that even a word, can make your acne worse, or it can help your acne. But products that you use on your skin can definitely affect how your skin is. Stress can affect your skin. Medicines and medications that you're taking can also affect your skin. And last but not least, like genetics. Like you can try everything in the world, if in your genetics your parents, their parents, your great-grand had acne prone skin, you're gonna have acne prone skin. Not necessarily, but like if it's in your genetic makeup, you are gonna have that. So basically my point for this video is how certain acne can identify what problems that you have. Like, you know what I mean? If it's inflamed and is red, check out your nearest dermatologist, doctor, and find out what is going on internally, because in most cases it is a hormonal problem. Something is going on internally and your body is just telling you. Your body is always going to tell you what's going on. Your body is always going to tell you what's going on. Your body is not going to pop up in hives and bumps and warts and things out of nowhere. There's something happening on the inside. Small things like whiteheads and blackheads that are caused by not properly exfoliating your skin to get rid of the dead skin cells. The dead skin cells build up to the point where it got trapped into your pores because you don't properly exfoliate and get rid of the dead skin cells. Another thing, blackheads can really leave a hole in your skin if you leave it. Once a bump reaches to blackhead stage, dig it out, please. Dig it out, because you're gonna literally have holes in your face, because now it's like, I feel like it just gets trapped into your skin and it becomes a part of your skin, and now it's hard to remove. But yeah, that's it for the end of the video. I mean, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this video was informative, you learned something, let me know down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post another video. Why am I always rapping at the end of the videos? I don't know. I don't know why. I don't know why. But thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. See you next video. Bye.